What if I told you the secret to a steakhouse quality steak at home isn't your grill, but the right air fryer? Stick around, because your next steak night is about to get legendary. Today, we're diving into the sizzling world of air fryers, specifically the best air fryers for cooking steak. Whether you're a steak enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your kitchen arsenal, this countdown will guide you through 6 top contenders, each tested for their ability to deliver that perfect sear, juicy center, and mouth-watering flavor. By the end, you'll know exactly which air fryer deserves a spot on your countertop and which one will make your next steak unforgettable. 6. Instant Vortex 6-quart Air Fryer. Let's kick things off with the Instant Vortex 6-quart Air Fryer, a model that's gained a lot of attention for its versatility and value. On paper, it promises a lot: a spacious basket, multiple cooking functions, and rapid air circulation for crispy results. When I put it to the test with a thick-cut ribeye, the Instant Vortex impressed me with its speed. The steak cooked quickly and developed a beautifully browned crust thanks to the powerful heating element. The digital controls are intuitive, and the basket is large enough to handle a couple of steaks at once, making it a solid choice for family dinners. Cleanup is also a breeze, with non-stick surfaces and dishwasher-safe components. I appreciated the window in the basket, which lets you monitor your steak without losing heat, a small touch that makes a big difference. However, during my testing, I noticed a couple of drawbacks. First, while the steak's exterior was crisp, the interior sometimes ended up less juicy than I'd hoped, especially if I wasn't extra careful with timing. There's also an odd plastic smell that lingered during the first few uses, which some users have reported as well for. It faded over time, but it's worth mentioning if you're sensitive to odors. Another thing, the temperature control, while generally reliable, occasionally overshoots, making it easy to overcook your steak if you're not vigilant. For beginners, this could be frustrating. Number 5. T-fal Infrared 6-quart Air Fryer. Next up is the T-fal Infrared 6-quart Air Fryer, a compact yet powerful machine that caught my eye with its infrared heating technology. The promise here is lightning-fast preheat, just 45 seconds to reach full temperature, and a design that aims to lock in juices for that perfect steak. In my kitchen, I found the T-fal did heat up impressively fast, and the steak came out with a nice sear and a surprisingly juicy interior. The always-on lighted window is a thoughtful touch, letting you keep an eye on your food without opening the basket. The controls are straightforward, and the basket is easy to clean, though only the removable tray is dishwasher safe. For small households or singles, the deep basket is just right, but if you're cooking for a crowd, you'll quickly run into space limitations. The deep design means you can only cook 2 servings at a time for best results. Now let's talk about some of the downsides. While the infrared tech sounds revolutionary, in practice, it doesn't make a dramatic difference compared to traditional air fryers. The basket's depth, while good for whole chickens, isn't ideal for steaks, which really benefit from a single-layer cook. I also found that the exterior can get quite hot, so you'll want to keep it away from little hands. And while T-fal touts its no-shake technology, I still found myself needing to flip the steak halfway through for even browning. Number 4. Cosori 5.8Q Air Fryer. Moving up, the Cosori 5.8Q Air Fryer stands out for its smart features and consistent performance. Right away, I noticed how well this air fryer browns and crisps food, and steak is no exception. The digital controls are easy to use, and the preset steak function takes the guesswork out of timing and temperature. When I cooked a New York strip, it came out with a caramelized crust and a juicy pink center, exactly what you want in a steak. The Cosori's basket is roomy enough for 2 large steaks, and the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. I also like the app connectivity, which allows you to monitor and control your cook from your phone. A great feature for multitaskers or anyone who loves smart kitchen gadgets. The included cookbook is a nice bonus, offering plenty of inspiration for other meals. There are a few minor drawbacks. The touch controls can be a bit sluggish, and separating the inner and outer baskets for cleaning takes a little getting used to. It's not the best for toasting, but that's hardly a deal breaker if steak is your main focus. The exterior stays cool during operation, which is a plus for safety. Overall, the Cosori 5.8 QT Air Fryer is a fantastic all-rounder, especially for those who want a reliable, easy-to-use machine that consistently delivers steakhouse quality results at home. 3. GoWISE USA GW44800. Now let's talk about the GoWISE USA GW44800, a deluxe air fryer oven that's built for versatility. With a massive 12.7 quart capacity, this model is ideal for families or anyone who loves to entertain. When I tested it, I was able to cook multiple steaks at once, along with veggies and even a side of fries, all thanks to the 3 cooking racks. The GoWISE GW44800 isn't just an air fryer, it's a 15-in-1 multi-cooker with functions for roasting, baking, dehydrating, and even rotisserie. The digital touchscreen is intuitive, and the included accessories, like the rotisserie spit and dehydrator trays, open up a world of culinary possibilities. For steak, the convection baking system ensures even cooking and a crisp exterior, while the interior stays juicy. One thing to note, the oven-style design means you'll need a bit more counter space, and it's heavier than most basket-style air fryers. Baking performance is decent, though not as even as a dedicated oven, but reheating and air frying are where this model shines. The internal light and viewing window make it easy to monitor your steak as it cooks. If you're looking for an air fryer that can do it all and handle large batches of steak with ease, the GoWISE USA GW44800 is a powerhouse that won't disappoint. 2. Ninja AF161 Max XL. Runner-up on our list is the Ninja AF161 Max XL, a high-performance air fryer that delivers on speed and crispiness. With a 5.5 quart basket, it's perfect for families or anyone who likes to cook larger cuts of steak. In my tests, the Ninja Max XL cooked steak quickly and evenly, producing a golden brown crust and a tender, juicy center. The Max Crisp and Air Broil modes are standout features, letting you sear steak at higher temperatures for that authentic steakhouse finish. The controls are simple and responsive, and the basket is easy to clean. I also appreciated how quickly this air fryer preheats, no waiting around when steak cravings hit. There are a few quirks. The circular basket isn't ideal for fitting larger steaks, and the machine is a bit bulkier than some competitors. It also runs a bit hot, so you'll want to adjust temperatures to avoid overcooking. The noise level is higher than average, but not enough to be disruptive. Despite these minor issues, the Ninja AF161 Max XL is a top performer that consistently delivers restaurant-quality steak at home. If you want speed, power, and reliability, this air fryer is a fantastic choice. Number 1. Dreo ChefMaker Combi Fryer. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dreo ChefMaker Combi Fryer, a true game-changer for steak lovers. This smart air fryer combines traditional air frying with steam and precise temperature control, thanks to its built-in probe and chef mode. When I tested it, the Dreo ChefMaker produced the most tender, flavorful steak I've ever made in an air fryer. The process is almost foolproof. Set your desired doneness, insert the probe, and let the machine handle the rest. The Dreo ChefMaker stands out for its 4-stage cooking process, which includes a pre-sear, steam injection for juiciness, and a final high-heat finish for a perfect crust. The results are nothing short of spectacular. Steak comes out caramelized on the outside and perfectly pink on the inside, every time. The app connectivity adds another layer of convenience, letting you monitor and adjust settings from your phone. It's not the fastest air fryer, with steak taking up to 55 minutes to cook, but the results are worth the wait. The design is user-friendly, with a clear viewing window, internal light, and dishwasher-safe accessories. While it might not replace the excitement of a traditional pan sear, the Dreo ChefMaker is ideal for anyone who wants effortless, consistent, and restaurant-quality steak at home. If you're serious about steak and want the best technology has to offer, the Dreo ChefMaker Combi Fryer is hands down the top pick for 2025. Final thought. And there you have it. The 6 best air fryers for steak, each with its own strengths and quirks. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your steak game, there's an air fryer on this list that's perfect for you. Happy cooking, and may your next steak be your best yet.